Tonight in this video I'm going to show you how to make spaghetti carbonara. It's one of my favorite pasta dish that my parents are making for me ever since when I was young. Well, since I'm living in Istanbul, Turkey is forbidden to sell pork or any pork meat products. So my dad always buys bacon in Europe, well, because he knows that I love carbonara. Well, you know, it's not carbonara without bacon. So here are the ingredients. 6 egg yolks, a liter of warm milk, grated parmesan cheese, 11 strips of bacon, 5 cloves of garlic, salt and pepper. First, we're going to prepare our carbonara sauce. As you can see in the clip, I'm pouring the milk one at a time and whisking, because if you add the milk all at once, it'll end up more of a scrambled egg. Once you add all the milk, add your grated parmesan cheese and keep on stirring, and finally, season them with salt and pepper to taste and set it aside. After that, chop the bacons and let's head over to the stove. Heat your pan to medium heat, then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, following with 5 cloves of minced garlic, the more garlic the better, and stir the garlic until the garlic is golden brown. And by the way, I said the garlic 4 times. Once the garlic is nice and golden brown, add your chopped bacon and keep on mixing, then set it aside. Heat your pot to high heat, then add your water, following with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and season the water with salt and let it come to boil. When the water is boiling, go ahead, add your spaghetti pasta and let it cook for 9 minutes. Now I'm going to show you what's going on outside. It's snowing. Wow. Never had a decent snow since 2016. Well. 9 minutes later, drain out the water and add your pasta to the sauce and mix it till well combined. And also don't forget the bacon. Well, you know, it's not a carbonara without bacon, am I right? After that, time to plate. This is by far the best spaghetti carbonara you'll ever make. Now, on with the taste test. Well, there you go, my friends. That is how you make spaghetti carbonara. Fork, carbonara, into my mouth. Wow. You can taste the garlic. You can taste the milk and the eggs. You can taste everything. It's like a flavor party in my mouth. I encourage you to make this recipe. It's super simple to make. And yeah, comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! After devouring the carbonara, it's snow time. Good evening.